Well, it's December 21st. The sun is the lowest it's going to get in the sky, and we happen to have sun today. Temperature is about 19 degrees. The wind chill is 9.5 according to my weather station. So we're going to do some catching up. I was at 10% this morning about 8 o'clock, and of course it switched over to grid sometime during the night. So I'll take you out and show you my charge controllers, and I'll take you out and show you how I did with my solar panel racks as far as the shadows go this time of year. Okay, everything that's got a fan on is on. This one, really nice controller, but the display does this every once in a while. It goes blank so you can't tell what it's doing. I think it's around 40 some amps. This one's making 37 amps. And the new one here is making 56 amps. And this battery bank, which has got 800 amp ones in it, it's getting 65. That one's got 4 in it, 37. That one's got 4, it's getting 34. So let's go out and see where our shadows are as far as the next row. Hopefully the way the wind's blowing that you're going to be able to hear me okay. Okay, looks like I'm alright. It's right at the bottom of the post on this end of this row. The same on this one. And the last row we're good too. So I guess my calculations were okay. Like I say, we're going to be getting some clouds once in a while, but right now I'm gathering all I can. There's a little set over here that's from my garage too. Alright, just a quick video. Thought I'd show you how things are going. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh yeah, show you my windmill too. That one's going. The little hoverboard one's going. You can see them 2 solar panels up on the roof. The top one's a Tesla. The other one is, I don't remember. One's a 400 watt and the other's a 300. I'll go ahead and show you what they're doing. The bottom one's pretty near all covered with snow yet. And they're in series right now for this little 12 volt system. What are we doing? Now we're charging 10 amps. Yeah, the one covered in snow is not contributing. So in the garage system, let's see, we got all the lights running, the heater running. We're using what, 700 watts. This one's at 90%. We're charging 10 amps. That one's charging 5 amps. Charging 4 amps. And this one's 630. You can see what the windmill is doing out here. And then here's the windmill. That's the hoverboard. You can see it's pretty gusty. This is the AC coming in on one phase. And you can see windmills are not much except for entertainment. There's no consistency. You got to have a lot of steady wind to get any good out of them. Say they're just a conversation piece. Anyways, my short video got a little longer.